So you would like some simple food that's really good. It's gonna give you energy. It's not gonna rob you of yours. All I'm gonna have here is some broccoli. I felt like. Then I have pumpkin seeds. I soaked, and I don't think I sprouted them, but at least they're soaked. And then mung beans that I sprouted. And now I'm gonna cover it with my delicious kefir. That's fermented food that's loaded with good bacteria. And then I'm gonna get some good oil added to it. And I'm going to enjoy it. To your health.